You're watching CTOM TV. Knowledge is power.
So let's talk about diffuse large B-cell lymphomas. Now, I've just touched on some basics of targeted therapies for these lower grade relapse refractory. There's actually quite a few different approaches. Tumor DNA sequencing really is the key there, and obviously expression testing is important. So mechanisms when a lymphoma transforms, when a low grade transforms into a high grade, the diffuse large B-cell lymphomas. If you recall, we talked about the GBC and the ABC and the double hit. This is just a slide that talks about these in a little more detail. So the GBC often contain a translocation, which means an exchange between chromosome 14, which contains the antibody heavy chain locus, and chromosome 18. So these two chromosomes kind of get stuck together and exchange bits of genetic information. It's called a crossover or translocation. So in chromosome 18, it contains the BCL2 locus. And so this is present in half of these types, but not necessarily in ABCs. So in the ABC subtype, which has a worse prognosis, it typically has activation of the NFK pathway. NFKB is called NF-kappa B pathway. And it's typically found in the ABC subtypes, but not always the GCB subtypes. And then in double hit lymphoma, they're typically called double hit because they express MYC plus either BCL2 or less likely BCL6. So basically a double expressor, which has a poor prognosis, overexpress the MYC and BCL2. So if you see BCL2 or BCL6 overexpression and MYC overexpression, then you have these double hit, double mutator subtypes.
Thank you for watching CTOM TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.